Hi, what's up guys, it's Jono here from jono-armstrong.com and welcome to my INTERACTR review. I'm here inside the software and this is something that I'm going to walk you through in just a second. I've also got my own little demo that I'm going to show you so you can see exactly how it works and you're going to know exactly what to expect. Now before I get into that, I just want to talk to you about some custom bonuses that I've just spent the past few hours putting together after I've spent most of the day going through INTERACTR. Now, if you click on the link down below in the description, you'll come through to this page. This is my bonus page for INTERACTR, and if you want to pick up INTERACTR, you'll need to click on any of these greeny turquoise buttons before this countdown timer runs out, because when it does, this page will expire and so will my bonuses, and that's something that I really don't want you to miss out on. Because, like I said, I spent a lot of time putting these together so you can get the best out of INTERACTR. Now, all of these bonuses are custom made. They're not available anywhere else because they are exclusive to me, because I'm the person who made them. And I've made them so that you can get the best value out of INTERACTR. And like I said, I've spent most of the day going through the software, and these are some of the ideas that I've had whilst I was going through the software that I've been testing out. Basically, when I was going through the software, these light bulbs were going off in my head, and I've put them down into these bonus tutorials. They're all high quality video tutorials, and they are going to help you out. And by all means, feel free to go and check out other people's bonuses, and then once you realize they're not as good as mine, then you can always come back to this page and pick them up here. So my first bonus, now, a really good way of monetizing from INTERACTR is to sell it as a service. Now, to do that, if you don't already know how to set up a Fiverr account, then inside of this bonus, I'm going to be giving you some tips about setting up your Fiverr account the right way. Okay, so that's going to be available in this first bonus. Now, in my second bonus, there's a way that you can use INTERACTR to segment your list. Now, if you don't have an email list, then you probably won't be interested in this bonus, but if you do, then I'm going to show you a way that you can use these videos to segment your list. And they're very, very interactive, hence the name INTERACTR, and they prompt a lot of engagement, which is the perfect solution that you need if you're trying to segment your list and ultimately make more money from your list. So I'm going to reveal that in this bonus here. My third bonus, I'm going to show you a super awesome hack that you can use together with INTERACTR to make some money pretty much straight away using CPA offers. Now, this is really, really powerful stuff. And again, this is a high quality video over the shoulder tutorial that I've put together especially for INTERACTR, because I'm showing you how to use INTERACTR and monetize it with CPA. My next bonus, I'm going to show you how you can use INTERACTR videos to make money from Amazon. And there's literally hundreds and thousands of products that you can use from in Amazon that you can make money from using INTERACTR. So again, this is a high quality video tutorial where I'm showing you how the pieces fit together. Now, my final bonus, and this is probably what most other affiliates are going to be offering to you, so I've decided to throw all of these things in as well. This is what I've been given from the product creator to give to you, and you can go and pick these up as well. And I'm sure a lot of other affiliates are only going to be offering these bonuses, so I'm going to give you these bonuses on top of my custom bonuses if you choose to buy via my link. So you're going to get YouTube's Ads Mastery, Facebook Video Ads Mastery, Video Suite Play Button Creator, Video Suite Spoiler Box Creator, Video Suite Thumbnail Creator, Video Suite Monthly Stock Video, and Video Suite Monthly Stock Audio. So I don't know exactly what these bonuses do, but they look pretty cool, and I'm going to give them to you as well as my custom bonuses. So if you want to pick up all of these bonuses 100% free, all you need to do is click on any of these turquoise buttons on my bonus page to go through to the sales page, which is going to look like this, and purchase INTERACTR. Now, upon purchase, as soon as you've gone through the checkout, we'll just need to go to your JVZoo account, to the receipt area of JVZoo under INTERACTR, and there will be a little blue button at the bottom of the page which says bonuses from Jono, and that's where all of these bonuses will be waiting for you upon purchase. So they're all going to be delivered automatically, so if you pick up INTERACTR, they'll be waiting for you. Now, if you do click on any of these turquoise buttons, you'll come through to the sales page, which looks like this. and it's a pretty long sales page, so I'm not going to have time to go through the whole sales page with you in this review, and it would not really make sense because you can go through and read it all for yourself. So if you first of all click on the link down below in the video description, and then you come through to this page here, and then all you need to do is click on any of these turquoise buttons to come through to the sales page and read it. So in a nutshell, what INTERACTR is, it's a cloud-based software that's going to enable you to make interactive videos. And you're probably thinking, why would I want to do that? Well, there's a number of reasons why you'd want to do that. There's some stats that kind of say it all on the sales page here. So 90%, Cisco predicts over 90% of all consumer internet traffic will come from video by 2019, and this is starting to rise every single day. YouTube is massive, video marketing is massive, and people actually prefer to watch videos rather than read text. That's a fact. That's the way things are going. So these are some facts on here. After watching a video, 64% of viewers are more likely to buy online. True. Businesses, well, it's definitely true because it's a fact. Businesses using video grow revenue 49% faster than those who don't. Yep. 90% of all internet users say a product video helps in the decision process. Absolutely. The facts are much different. 80% of online video ads are abandoned within the first half of the ad. 20% of viewers click away in 10 seconds or less. 45% of viewers will stop watching after 1 minute. 60% of viewers will stop watching by the end of 2 minutes. Now, the simple solution is to basically make your videos interactive. And by doing this, let me just show you, there's some great examples actually on this sales page of big multinational firms that are using this exact strategy for their advertising now. I'm talking about Maybelline, and yeah, you can check out the examples on here. Let me just, I'm not going to play it for you because you can go and watch it yourself, but basically what it does is it gives you options within videos to click buttons and then watch other videos depending on that person's choice. So check out the sales page, please, because there's a ton of information that I might not get through to during this review. So go and check that out when you can. I'm going to jump into the members area now, and I'll show you exactly what this does. So actually, before I get into this, on my bonus page I've put in a demo video of how this works, a walkthrough demo video. So if I don't cover everything in detail, then you can watch the demo video on my bonus page by clicking on the link down below in this video description. So what I've done is I've made a campaign in here. It's pretty easy to do. You just click on new projects and you'll be able to get access to some templates that you can use straight away. Now, these are all the videos that I've personally made. Well, I haven't made all of them. One of them I've actually got them from YouTube. So you can actually drag and drop videos in here from your own hard drive, or you can go over to YouTube, grab the YouTube URL and just paste it in the bottom here, and that'll allow you to use videos from YouTube. Now, I would be careful about using any videos from YouTube because you really need to have the rights to be able to use it. So inside my bonus, I'm going to show you a way that you can use videos from YouTube without getting into any hot water or any bother. So what I've done here is I've put together an interactive video. I've got my introduction, I've got a menu here, and then I've got 3 different videos that people can choose. Now, you can feel free to go and watch this video that I've created. I've exported it and I've put it onto this page here, and you can access this page by clicking on the link down below in the description, coming through to my bonus page, scrolling down below the demo video there. It says check out my demo vid here. So if you click on here, you can watch this video that I made. So I'm just going to show you the introduction bit now. Let me refresh the page. Basically what it's going to do is going to have an introductory video, and then it's going to give you 3 options of 3 different videos that you can choose to watch depending on your choice. So, hi guys, in this little video what I want you to do is to choose one of 3 dances that I'm going to do for you, especially for you, okay? So the first thing I need you to do right here is just click on one of the buttons over here, just to choose which dance you want me to do. Okay, you see the buttons come up, and then I can choose which dance I want to do. So I'm going to choose Caveman. Okay. Mowgli just passed 1,000. Anyway, I'll let you watch that. There's 2 other dances that you can choose from on those buttons as well. So this is basically what INTERACTR does in a nutshell. And if you understand how video marketing works, you're going to be able to see the potential in this. It's absolutely crazy. There's so much stuff that you can do with this. Okay, and some of my monetization ideas I've put onto my bonus page, which is down here. Now, it's pretty straightforward to use, and it's cloud-based as well, so there's nothing you need to download to your computer. All you do is you import your videos, and then you structure them with these little lines, with these little connectors. So after this video is played, the introduction video, it's going to go through to the menu video. Now on the menu video, I've inserted the 3 buttons. Each button represents a different video. So I have the 3 different videos here, and then we connect them together. So if I click on the menu, I'm going to show you exactly how this works. And I've only just been using the buttons on here. Okay, you can also use custom HTML inside it. You can use images inside it, and you can also have pop-ups, and you can have email capture forms as well. Email capture forms. You can collect leads directly from these videos. Crazy stuff. Okay, I hope you're starting to see the potential of this. I got really excited when I came through to this page. So you can adjust when you want these buttons to show, and this is the video timeline like you would have in any kind of normal video editor. Once we get over to here, we have the buttons. Now it's you simply just drag and drop the buttons in, and the same with the other elements that you can include in here as well. So Irish Jig, you can just simply double click on here, and you can rename it whatever you like. And I'm only going to go through the buttons here. The images, you would just drag and drop images in here that you can use, and you have different pop-ups that you can create inside here as well, which will pop over the top of the video and pause it so that they have to complete an action in order for the video to keep playing. Now, there's tons of ways you can monetize this with. You could do it with lead generation, you could do it with CPA, you could do it with affiliate offers, loads of stuff. Okay, loads of ways that you can monetize this. So once you've chosen the button, then you need to choose an action over here. So on click, you can either do nothing, you can play one of your other videos that you have in your library over here. You'd select play node. You can open a URL, you can skip to a certain time, open a pop-up, or unpause the video. So I've just chosen play node, and then I've selected my video from here. Irish Jig was this video right here, and then I've named it. You can change the position of well, you can actually just drag them around. You can drag these buttons around, but you can actually do it like precisely using these. You can change the vertical position, the horizontal position, the height, the width, and you can change the appearance as well. You can change the color, you can change the roundness of the buttons, the letter spacing, and you can choose where you want it to come in. You can then copy and delete the actions if you want. Okay, so once you've done this, you can also put what's called hotspots over the top of your video. And let me just do that. And when you have a hotspot in here, you can on-click. If somebody clicks over that hotspot, you can choose to do any one of these actions here as well. Now, once you're happy with your video, and there's obviously tons more stuff you can do in here that I suggest you go and watch the demo video on my bonus page, because the way that he has it set out is he has the introduction video, it goes to a menu video, and then they can choose out of 3 different videos. And then they can have right answers and wrong answers, and then when it goes through to the right answer, it ends the actual video. But if it goes to a wrong answer, then it comes up with a menu where they can choose another video from the selection until they get the right one, which is pretty clever. And I mean, you can build these out. You can build these videos out to have like I don't know, tens of different videos in here, tens of different options. Each option could end with each option could end with a CPA offer. Each option could end with a lead generation with email. Each option could end with a forced action. Each option could end with going to a different website. You know, there's tons of stuff you can do with this. It's really, really impressive. Now, once you're happy with your project, you simply, let's go to random projects. You go to publish and share in. Okay, and then this is going to allow you to grab an embed code. Now, this is the embed code that you would put on your website to host this actual video, like I've done on my blog here. So it's pretty simple to do. You don't really need to have any technical knowledge either. There's nothing to download to your computer. There's nothing to, I mean, you're not exporting videos either. You can share the page so people can come and watch it. And there's tons of different settings in here as well. So you can choose different thumbnails that you want on your project. You can even put a Facebook pixel inside the project as well. So when people watch it, then they start to get tracked. And that about rounds it up. It's starting to rain outside as well, so I'm sorry about the noise. It does also come with a ton of training. If you click on here, from the user panel, you click on there, and you can come through to the training. So it's going to show you how to create a project. It's going to show you different project themes you can use, how to add a video, adding Vimeo videos. So you can basically add from YouTube, you can add from a ton of different sources, and you can add from Vimeo as well. It shows you how to use the actual canvas, how to make your videos interactive, working with pop-ups, project settings, and publishing and sharing. So it covers pretty much every aspect of how to use it, and it's very, very user-friendly anyway, so great piece of kit. So I'm going to talk to you about the prices and the upsells now. Okay, so everything that I just showed you inside the software here, and you get the training, and obviously you get my bonuses no matter which one you pick up. That's $47 for a personal license if it's just for yourself to use on your own website. $47. Now if you want the agency license, it's going to cost you $67 for a commercial license. So if you wanted to go and start selling this as a service for other companies, then this is a license that you'd want. Now bearing in mind, most of the big softwares, the multicultural international firms are using, like Maybelline, are upwards of $7,000 per month. Okay, now this is really the entrepreneur version of it, I guess, but it has a ton of different features that I'm sure all of those high-end flashy softwares for big companies use as well. But this is going to allow you to use this kind of technology in your own business. And if you want to offer this as a service to other businesses, then you will need the commercial license, which is $67. Now, there's a couple of upsells to this as well. The first upsell is $37 per month, or you can pay yearly at $147. And what this is, you get to jumpstart your profits with over 76 cutting-edge video assets, 4 unique done-for-you top converting templates, and ongoing profit tools delivered monthly. So this is kind of an ongoing update of different templates that you will be able to use, updated templates and stuff like that, and done-for-you things on a monthly basis. And that's a yearly price, or you can pay it monthly if you want. The second upsell is Agency Academy, and this is $97 per year, or you can get it for a one-off of $197, which is obviously a no-brainer, rather than paying yearly for this. And for that, you get to create a 6-figure video consulting business just by copying the methods and stealing the tools that they're going to give you inside of this package. So first of all, you get the agency edition. Offer INTERACTR services under your own brand and keep 100% of the profits. So it's like a resell. It's going to allow you to sell it on Fiverr and to big companies under your own brand. Okay, you're going to be able to rebrand this, which is really cool, because if you already have an established advertising agency, you want to put your logo on this software, then you'll be able to do that. You also get white label rights, so you can use your own logo and your own domain for a turnkey business solution with your company name, which is fantastic. And because it's such a great software, they're only charging $197 for a lifetime agency license, which is pretty cheap compared to a lot of other softwares. $197 is pretty cheap for white label rights. You get to brand it, you get to sell it, you get to do whatever you want with it, and offer it as a service as well. So that's pretty good. And you also get the Consultant Success Kit. You get the exact tools and resources they're using to drive multiple six-figure profit selling video services. So that's it. That's the funnel. Those are the prices. Make sure that you check out the demo video on my bonus page. You can access that by clicking on the link down below. I strongly suggest you check it out because it gives you 2 examples of how they set this up, and also the other example is how these guys use this to make a review video where you can actually skip to different areas of the video, which I think is going to be really, really good. Again, check out my demo video if you want to see me doing some random dances. There's 3 different dances you can choose from. You can access that by clicking on this button here where it says access. Check out the demo video here. Okay, that's it from me. If you want to get all of my bonuses, high quality custom bonuses, then you'll need to click on any of these turquoise buttons throughout the page before the countdown timer runs out, and you'll get them automatically delivered into the purchases receipt area of JVZoo. So I hope you found this review informative and you got some value from it. And yeah, thanks very much for watching my INTERACTR review. I'll see you around. Bye.